Yesterday we have discussed about account groups. An account group in SAP FI is a configuration step that controls how GL accounts are classified. Example, expenditure, incomes, balance sheet, like assets or liabilities. How are we going to classify it, that accounts, and which number range they belong to, and which fields are shown or hidden while creating the GL master data. It ensures that accounts are created in a structured or consistent way. For example, expenditure accounts in range 4 lakh to 4 lakh 999, right? That is the example for account groups. Yesterday we already discussed. If you can see my screen, so these are the examples which we already discussed about account groups. Okay, account group, it controls GL account number range, field status, that is nothing but whether the field is required or optional or display while creating the GL master data. It controls screen layout based on account type. Okay, that is nothing but account groups which we have discussed yesterday session. So now we are going to create account groups in SAP system. Let's go to SAP system. Note down the path SPRO IMG financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparations. Under preparations, define account group. Click on define account group. So here we will create account groups. Click on new entries. So whatever we have discussed yesterday session, now we can see this is our operating chart of account, right? Chart of account and account group. Name, just press enter and we can update group chart of account. Country specific chart of accounts. So this is the way we have to create account groups for operating chart of account and group chart of account and country specific chart of account. Okay, click on save, click on continue. Okay, next topic, define retained earnings account. Same path, please note it down. What is the meaning of retained earnings account in SAP FI, which is used to accumulate the net profit or net loss of an organization at the end of the financial year. I can repeat you. A retained earnings account is a GL account which is used to accumulate the net profit or loss of an organization at the end of the financial year. Next point, retained earnings account is where the profit or loss of the previous year is carried forward during the year-end closing. Have you noted on both points are same as it is? So you can explain at least one point during the interview time. Any point more than sufficient. So I'm giving you the more information so you can explain at least something during the interview time. So now what is the purpose of retained earnings account? Now the purpose is when we run the balance carry forward, all P&L accounts are cleared. That means at the end of the year, it will carry forward that P&L related net profit or net loss carry forward to balance sheet under liabilities. We already learnt in our graduation time, right? In commerce or accounts graduation. So what we can do that net loss or net profit after preparing the P&L statement. While preparing the P&L statement, either we will get net profit or net loss, right?
Ah,
That net profit or net loss, what we can do?
at the end, we need to prepare balance sheet. At the time, we will get
Yes,
how much net profit or net loss it will shows.
whatever we are getting the net profit or net loss, we can carry forward to balance sheet, right? Under
Yeah.
liabilities side.
Yes, yes.
The same thing, the same concept which is applicable in SCP as well. Please note it down, the purpose of retained earnings account. The purpose of retained earnings account, it will carry forward the net loss and net profit to the balance sheet. You can note it down. When we run the balance carry forward, purpose, please note it down the purpose. Comma, the net loss or net profit is transferred to the retained earnings account, GL account. The net result, net profit or net loss is transferred to the retained earnings GL account. Note down the next point. Retained earnings is maintained in the chart of account level. Retained earnings account maintained at chart of account level. So are you understand about this concept? The simple way you can explain, the retained earnings account is a GL account. At the financial year end, it will carry forward the net loss or net profit, and whatever the net results, either net profit or net loss, it will transfer to our retained earnings GL account. Retained earnings GL account maintained at chart of account level. Are you getting my point? Do you have any questions on this?
No, no question.
Okay, just click on define retained earnings account, same path, SPRO, IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparations, under preparations, define retained earnings account. Click on define retained earnings account. What account we need to maintain at the chart of account level? Liability related account. Click on define retained earnings account. Now you can see system is throwing the pop-up. Someone is locked, so we can remove the lock. So it's not possible at this time. We can give our chart of account JBOP. After getting the pop-up, just give chart of accounts JBOP. Now it is showing like a display mode, right? Just to go back, click on continue again. Now we can see in editable mode. Whatever we are getting before error message, one of the user locked this particular transaction, particular T code. So he come out from that screen. That is why it is open now without removing the locks. Okay. Now P&L statement. This is a code. It is a 2-digit code. P&L statement. It is a 2-digit code, either numerical or alphanumerical code. We can just give X. So what account we need to maintain? Liability related account we can maintain here. So liability for operating chart of account, what is the number range? So we can use this particular account, the end of the 99 account, 199 account, we can maintain here. Okay, just press enter. We are getting the warning message. This is not a error message. We are just getting the warning message. Just press enter. So there is no warning now. Click on save. Just click on save. Save. So saved. Have you noted down? Can you please confirm? Have you noted down? Please confirm.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Just to go back, we can maintain more than one. If you can maintain more than one P&L statement type, what will happen? The moment when we create the GL master, it will ask what type of P&L related statement that particular GL account is going to create. Okay, for example, whether normal GL accounts or manufacturing related GL account, or what type of GL account, whether it is a operating GL account or non-operating GL account. So it's purely depends on the business requirement. Okay, just to go back. So now we have maintained for operating chart of account. Let's maintain for group chart of account, right? Click on define retained earnings account. Again, just come back and again click on define retained earnings account. Let's give what is our group chart of account code? JB
ABGA.
GA. Just give group chart of account code. Just click on continue. Give another for group chart of account. Give Y and give liability group GL account code. Just press enter. It's just warning message. Click on continue. Click on save. Just press enter. Just continue. Now saved. Okay. Understand, right? Just go back. Have you noted down? Just click on back and click on define retained earnings account again. May I know what is the country specific chart of account? JB CA.
CA.
Just click on continue. Give. Just save.